He's so cute. Is it time to get burped? Bun nose.
Yeah, she'll teach him how. Yep. Oh, she's tired.
Get it out. Are you smiling? Oh, there you go.
You have to sit her up and hold on. Here, can you teach him how to?
Yeah. I can see that out on YouTube. He's trying to burp. Lean them forward a little bit.
Yeah.
And hold on to your chin a little. And give him a good little whoop. And knock her guts off. Right? Think you gonna burp? Gonna burp in there? Sometimes it helps if you go a little lower. Jump head a little harder. A little bit more.
Rubber
Yeah,
too.
Under that little.
Or you can put her over your shoulder, just like I did.
Oh, where are you going?
She did spit up something.
Yeah.
That's good. She didn't spit up for me.
She didn't spit up.
No, I was sad. Like, dang it, I wanted that experience. My first experience of being a mom. Yay! Good job, Rylan. Good job, baby. Rylan. Rylan.
Look at me, man. Come on, what are you doing? Come on, motherfucker. Oh.
Uh-oh, sit her up a little bit. She has the hiccups.
She thought the blanket was a bottle. Oh, you got the hiccups? Oh. Oh. Take your hat.
Oops.
Yeah. Oh.
She wants her binky. Baby.
You got the hiccups?
She's like, yup.
Hiccup. Oh. Open them eyes. Yeah. Let's see the baby blues.
She's like this with her hand when she hiccups.
Hey you. Hey you.
Poor baby.
Oh, you got a fuss? Oh.
The hiccups are annoying. Tell him. Tell him. Hiccups are annoying, Daddy. That was my after meal yawn.
Oh yeah. You want to hold her? Open them
whole-
eyes. Hey, look, Daddy's talking to you.
I wanna wait till her hiccups are over if I was to hold her.
You're so cute.
Do you want me to change your diaper, or are you planning on changing it?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Come on, Jeremy, you know how to change a dirty.
Are you opening your eyes for us? I'm hoping it's a poo-poo diaper and you change her.
Don't tease me.
What are you doing? Are you looking around? Yeah. Hey, you. Hey, you.
She's like, looks like she's in shock.
Hey, you.
She's getting sleep, she's got a full belly.
Hey,
She's
you.
just trying to get rid of those hiccups, I mean.
You and your little cross eyes for right now.
She looked at me cross-eyed earlier.
Yeah,
It was the cutest thing ever.
they do have cross eyes sometimes. It said it in that book. Right, baby? Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you cute? Are you a
Looks
little
like-
cutie?
She like doesn't know what to do. She's like stuck.
You're
Oh.
funny. You're funny,
She
baby.
just looked up at you like, who are you? I know that voice from somewhere.
Cutie. Hey, cutie. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Oh. 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 Now look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi, Grandma.
Say, I got the hiccups, everybody.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. You can see my eyes now. Yeah.
Oh, she's opening them so big.
Hey, Uncle Matt and Josh. Yeah, you want to go home soon? You can play video games with Dad.
She's like, I'm sick of this place. They're always putting blue lights on top of me, sunglasses. Always.
Yeah. You're so cute.
I feel so bad for her. How long has it been? She's had the hiccups for like 5 minutes now. Oh, she got sneezed.
Are you smiling? She was about to smile for a minute there.
I see that. It was so cute. That's my baby. Right, right.
Oh.
She's like, that was a good one, right, Daddy?
You're so cute. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get it. Oh.
Oh no, I feel bad for her. How long do their hiccups last? How long do their hiccups last?
They can last for a little while. I've seen them go for half an hour or so.
Really?
Yeah, they can go for a while.
Oh my god. I feel so bad for her. Look at.
But she's okay. She doesn't seem like she's in pain. Babies do it all the time. It's like their job.
You want her back now?
I was just thinking she was starting to look a little sleepy, but
Say what? I'm sleepy. I got my eyes open.
you're kind of closing. Your little smile.
That's my girl.
Mom watched to hold you too.
And you wanted a boy
I did want a boy.
until you seen Ryan.
That way he could beat up all your boyfriends. Yeah. Not like Aunt Cassie. Only white guys.
That's so wrong. That gets edited out.
Yeah, see, it was funny, huh?
She's like, nah. She's sticking her tongue out at you. Like, you're a brat, daddy.
You're so cute. Are you daddy's little girl?
Do you think she has your chin or mine? I never really get to see your chin. So you have to tell me.
Yeah. She's gonna have a butt chin like yours.
Probably.
She probably will too.
Butt chins are dominant. It's gonna be a cute butt chin like mine.
Say, I want to keep, look at me. I want to keep my baby blue eyes. Yeah.